So hello everyone, we are back again with another video. So one of my subscriber has requested to create a video about how what are my settings about the liquidity and what are my priority fees setting and my just BullX setting or any other bot setting that I am using regarding to the Photon, or it is the same setting basically. So in this video, I am covering all his concerns regarding to the problem that he is facing. So yeah, and in this video, I will cover the sniping also. And yeah, so this is the pump.fun. So this is my random account, and as you can see, I was in which I have like $1 or maybe like $10-20, or maybe it was old account actually. So right now, this is your section basically, and in which, for example, I can take a selection of the random coin, and I can just select the 1 second pair, so I can just clearly see. So right now, you can, as you can see, I can create a strategy by having auto sell. You can see, and I can set the stop loss, sell 100%, and everything as well. So I don't use this personally. So this is my settings, guys. Right now I'm going to show you. Just wait a moment. Okay. Yeah. So this is the settings. So right now, what is the default setting that I am using is the 0.005, slippage 1%, and the priority fees are 0.05005. So why this setting I am using? Because if you have seen, if you have the lower balance, like you have having like $5, so what I just do, I just use this setting, my first setting, as you can see in this video. Like, it's very simple. The reason behind this is that I can only cut my fees like about 0.05, or maybe sometimes this high. So I have like $4.5 left, or sometime I have like $4.6 or regarding to this. So I don't want to have the fees, but the drawback of this is like, if a coin is pumping, so if the slippage is set to this setting, so what is the drawback? If the coin just I want to sell here, like on the top, but the sell will here because there is so much delay. So I know when to have sell or buy, because I know I just do some tradings. So what I do, if I want to sell there a coin, so I just press instantly here. So automatically the coin just go there and instantly send my position. So it's a very risky thing if you just select the slippage into the minimum, and the medium one is the, you can just copy the 0.03, and it's quite good. It is used by the Orangi and off-Y also, and it's quite good. But you can set to the slippage limit about 30% if you want. And this is the highest setting that I am using right now, and this is the very minimum. For example, if I want to do something on this section, if I want to buy quick one, like set the amount and just quick buy, so this is the setting that I am using. If you just go back and you can see, let me, yeah, so this is the setting that I am using. So this is the first board setting, and same into the Photon. You can select whatever you want, and yeah. So what is the sniping? So my brother asked, is that what is the sniping? So basically, what is the sniping? Sniping is basically you just have to buy the token instantly when it's migrating, or when it's like coming to a big exchange. So right now I can show you. For example, if a token some migrate, let me just see if any token just migrate. So I will have a clear knowledge. For example, this FAFO, the copy of the FAFO, uh, is in the like migrating section right here. So what I will do, there is three possible scenario to do sniping. So one is to buy this start, like here, buy the Nova bot. The link will be provided in the description. Or other will be like migrating section. So when the coin is migrating, and the last is when the coin is going to a big exchange like Radium or whatever it is. So the risk of sniping is very high. The reason is that I don't do sniping. Basically, when some coin I just try to do snipe. So basically, when they just migrate, then it will probably dump. So 90% of the snipers coin are going to dump. So this is the thing that you need to avoid. If you have large capital, what you can do, just invest like $5 on every coin, and see if you invested like 100 coins, only 10 will have a good chance to do quite good, or other will just go to the dump section also. Yeah. So this is the thing that you need to know when you are just doing trading or something like that. So this is the first thing. For the sniping, you need to also know the token fundamentals and token technical analysis, what the coin will do in the future. So yeah, so this is the BullX setting, my brother, as you can just see, and how to check the coin liquidity. And let me just show you. This is the, for example, the carrot coin. What I just go here, just uh, if I have the Nova bot right now here, you can see the extensions, or I don't know. Right now it's not active, but yeah, if you have the Nova bot, you can just have a button here like sniper button. So what it will do, it will just buy instantly here, and the coin will just pump. Or if the coin just go dump, you will like a win and lose situation. So let's see. For example, if we just take a position right now here, and let's see when it's just do some migration, it can take up to like minutes, like 6 minutes, 7 minutes. It's depend on the coin and chart. So let's see. So you can see that you will find many of these snipers right now here, basically trying to do some snipers. Let me just. The bot user are also very good. Bots are very good to make some money, good amount of money. I can make a dedicated video about this separately. So right now, I think it's taking some quite a huge time sometime. So yeah. So if you just take the position right now here, and if the coin just go dump, sometime there is a chance to get a pullback also, or sometime there is a chance to get a reversal. uh, you see, this is the thing that you need to know. So see, this is the reversal that I told you. And let's see what the coin will do if we just place the sniper trade here. So there is a 50-50 chance which coins are you trading, but I think this coin will be dump, because there are many of their holders are trying to just top 10 holders are trying to just hold more. There is 20%, which is the red flag also, but they need to sell also. When this ratio is, and the holders are going increasing, which is a quite red flag. So basically holder should be lock also, and this coin is for the short term purpose. Hmm. So see, you don't make any type of good amount of money. The reason is that basically you are doing sniping, and the sniping trend also is very big. Like if you are a profitable meme coin trader, we don't usually do some sniping. Otherwise, we just trade only the with the trends basically. If you see the uptrends, we just used to trade on uptrend. If you just see the low trend, like we just used to trade on the low trend, on the Dumpify, which is the short platform. So this is the thing that you need to know. And I also make the video about the Dumpify. So how to short meme coin on this platform. And yeah, so this is it for the video, and make sure you guys like and follow me for more. Stay tuned. Thanks for showing me so much love. And yeah.